A major leadership shift has taken place at Hyundai Motor America. Michael Orange, the company's US Sales Chief, has left his post. This unexpected move has sent ripples through the automotive industry, as Orange was widely regarded as a driving force behind Hyundai's recent successes in the United States. Orange was more than a manager. He was the architect of Hyundai's sales strategy across all 7 U.S. regions, directly influencing the company's performance and reputation. His vision and leadership style set the tone for Hyundai's approach to the American market, helping the brand carve out a stronger identity among competitors. His role involved setting sales targets, managing inventory, and developing incentive programs, all while maintaining strong relationships with dealerships. Orange was known for his hands-on approach, often visiting dealerships in person to understand their challenges and offer support. As the vital link between Hyundai's global strategy and its American dealerships, Orange's leadership shaped every aspect of the brand's presence in the U.S. He ensured that the company's global vision was adapted to fit the unique needs of American consumers and dealers. His departure is not just a routine change. It's a pivotal moment for Hyundai's U.S. operations. The absence of his steady hand at the helm introduces uncertainty at a time when the market is evolving rapidly. The sales chief's job demands a deep understanding of market dynamics and consumer behavior, making this position crucial for Hyundai's growth. Orange's expertise in reading trends and responding quickly to shifts in demand was a key asset for the company. Orange was responsible for translating Hyundai's global ambitions into real results, from coast to coast. His ability to coordinate efforts across regions helped unify the brand's message and drive consistent growth nationwide. Every major sales initiative and dealership goal funneled through his office. From launching new models to rolling out national promotions, Orange's approval and guidance were essential at every step. With Orange gone, Hyundai faces a significant gap in its leadership, raising questions about the future direction of its U.S. sales strategy. The company must now identify a successor capable of matching Orange's expertise and vision. The company must now navigate this transition carefully to maintain momentum in a fiercely competitive market. All eyes are on Hyundai as it charts its next chapter, hoping to build on the foundation that Michael Orange helped create. News of Michael Orange's exit didn't come from Hyundai itself, but through industry journalism. Automotive News broke the story on April 16, 2026, revealing Orange's last day was April 14. The 2-day delay is typical, as companies often need time to confirm and process such changes. Hyundai's silence, no press release, no official statement, left the narrative to be shaped by media reports. This lack of communication fueled speculation and uncertainty among investors, employees, and dealers. The straightforward reporting focused on the fact of his departure, setting the stage for industry-wide scrutiny. Now, all eyes are on Hyundai to see how and when it will address this leadership change. The role of a national sales chief at Hyundai is about far more than monthly sales figures. It's a position that demands vision, adaptability, and a deep understanding of both the automotive market and the people who drive it. Beyond crunching numbers, this leader must anticipate trends, respond to shifting consumer preferences, and guide the company through an ever-changing industry landscape. This leader crafts the national sales strategy, manages dealer relationships, and ensures the right vehicles reach the right markets. They coordinate with logistics teams, marketing departments, and regional managers to keep the entire sales engine running smoothly. Every day brings new challenges, from supply chain disruptions to evolving customer expectations. Dealers are independent business owners, and their alignment with Hyundai's goals is essential for success. The sales chief must motivate, negotiate, and support these partners, keeping the network strong and productive. Building trust and fostering collaboration are key, as the success of each dealership directly impacts Hyundai's national performance. Accurate forecasting and inventory management are critical. Mistakes can mean costly surpluses or missed sales. The sales chief is also the public face of Hyundai's commercial operations, representing the brand at industry events and in the media. Their ability to communicate Hyundai's vision and values helps shape public perception and strengthens the brand's reputation. Their leadership directly impacts sales results, brand reputation, and dealer satisfaction. Every decision, from incentive programs to product launches, falls under their watch. The ripple effects of their choices are felt throughout the organization, influencing everything from employee morale to customer loyalty. The departure of such a figure disrupts nearly every commercial aspect of the business. Hyundai must now ensure continuity and stability as it searches for new leadership. The transition period is critical, as the company works to maintain momentum and reassure both dealers and customers that the brand's future remains bright. Days after the news broke, Hyundai has yet to issue a formal statement about Michael Orange's departure. When pressed by reporters, the company offered no comment, fueling further speculation. This silence suggests Hyundai is still crafting its message or managing sensitive internal dynamics. Without an official explanation, rumors and uncertainty grow among employees, dealers, and industry observers. The lack of transparency can affect morale and confidence, both inside and outside the company. Hyundai may be hoping to control the narrative with a carefully timed announcement. However, prolonged silence risks damaging trust and stability. The company's next move will be critical in shaping perceptions of its leadership and direction. Executive departures like this are often complex, with reasons rarely made public. Common causes include voluntary moves to new opportunities, strategic disagreements, or performance issues. Sometimes, a sales chief leaves due to differing visions with top leadership, or to pursue a fresh challenge elsewhere. Performance pressures are intense. Missed targets can prompt leadership changes, even if the executive is capable. Personal reasons, such as health or work-life balance, also play a role in high-level exits. These scenarios are typical in the corporate world, and each departure is handled with varying degrees of transparency. For now, the specifics behind Orange's exit remain undisclosed, leaving room for speculation. The sudden loss of a sales chief can unsettle employees and disrupt established relationships with dealerships. Sales teams and regional managers may feel uncertain about their future and the company's direction. Dealers, who rely on the sales chief for support and incentives, are left wondering if key programs will continue. Major sales initiatives and product launches may lose momentum without a clear leader. An interim leader is often appointed to maintain stability, but their authority is limited until a permanent successor is found. The speed and effectiveness of Hyundai's response will determine whether this transition is an opportunity for renewal or a source of prolonged instability. Competitors and investors are watching closely for signs of weakness or strength. A well-managed transition can reinforce Hyundai's reputation. A misstep could open the door for rivals. Executive turnover is common in the high-pressure auto industry, especially in sales roles tied to performance. Leaders often move between brands, bringing fresh ideas and experience to new companies. Planned transitions and retirements are routine, but abrupt, unexplained departures like Orange's draw extra attention. Most automakers strive to manage these changes carefully to project stability. Hyundai's current situation stands out because of the lack of communication and the suddenness of the change. The industry has seen many high-profile shakeups, each with unique circumstances. For Hyundai, the real test is how it manages the aftermath and reassures stakeholders. The company's response will set the tone for its future in the US market. Hyundai's top priority is to ensure stability and maintain sales momentum during this transition. The company is keenly aware that any disruption could impact its strong position in the US market, so leadership is focused on minimizing uncertainty for both employees and customers. An interim sales leader will likely be appointed from within to keep operations running smoothly. This move would help maintain continuity and reassure staff that the company's vision remains on track. Clear communication with employees and dealers is essential to prevent uncertainty and maintain trust. Regular updates and open forums will help address concerns and keep everyone aligned with Hyundai's goals. The search for a permanent US Sales Chief will be deliberate, weighing internal candidates for continuity or external hires for fresh perspective. Hyundai's leadership team will carefully evaluate what qualities are most needed for the next phase of growth. Dealers will look for reassurance that existing programs and support will continue. Maintaining strong relationships with dealerships is crucial for ongoing sales success and customer satisfaction. Competitors may try to exploit any perceived weakness, so Hyundai must remain vigilant and proactive. The company will need to monitor the market closely and respond quickly to any challenges or shifts in consumer sentiment. The company cannot afford to pause. It must continue executing its sales strategy. Every department will play a role in ensuring that targets are met and momentum is sustained. The next few months will be critical as Hyundai balances day-to-day operations with the search for new leadership. Strategic planning and adaptability will be key to navigating this period successfully. How the company handles this period will influence its reputation and market position. Stakeholders, from investors to customers, will be watching closely to see how Hyundai manages this transition. The right moves now can turn a challenge into an opportunity for growth. With careful leadership and a clear vision, Hyundai can emerge from this transition even stronger than before. In the coming weeks, all eyes will be on Hyundai's official response and its choice of interim leadership. The tone and content of the company's announcement will shape perceptions inside and outside the organization. The interim sales chief's actions will signal Hyundai's short-term priorities, stability, or change. The appointment of a permanent successor will reveal the company's long-term vision for U.S. sales. Will Hyundai opt for an industry veteran or a leader with digital expertise? The selection process will be closely watched by dealers, employees, and competitors alike. Ultimately, Hyundai's sales figures in the next quarters will be the real test of how well it manages this transition. Maintaining momentum and dealer confidence will be crucial. The company's ability to adapt now will determine its future success in the American market.